Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create YouTube Shorts with AI. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to Google and then we're just going to go ahead and look for Opus Clip. Alright, so this is the one that we are going to be using. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one. And once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to click this one right here. Don't worry, this one is for free. You can log in with Facebook just like what I'm doing, so or you can just do this with Google. So I'm going to click continue as Vladimir. And it says that your Opus Clip free trial has started. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with this one. Alright, so here you can go ahead and basically paste a link here from the following. We have here YouTube, Vimeo, and so many others, or you can upload one from your own. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for one specific video. Alright, this video right here, I'm going to copy the link. We're going to go back and I'm going to paste it here. And then we're just going to wait for this one to process. This is actually very simple. Alright, so there you go. And then you have here different capture presets. I want you to go ahead and try to look at one. And yeah, I'm going to try this karaoke here. And then here, only add caption without clipping. It's up to you if you want to do this one. But in my case, I'm just going to disable this one. And yeah, you have here a processing time frame. This is Create Saver. And you have here genre. You can go ahead and select, for example, in my case, it's podcast. And yeah, for the preferred clip length, I'm just going to go with this one right here, 30 seconds to 60 seconds. There are different options down here. So yeah, once we are ready, I'm just going to go ahead and click Get Clips in one click. Alright, so we have it here. It is in queue right now. We're just going to have to wait for this one to get done. Okay, seems like our video is done processing. We're just going to close this one right now. And then we're going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to click it. And yeah, right away you should be able to see here that now we have created videos. I'm just going to mute this one in order for us to be able to see this one. Alright, so here's the video. And as you can see, that is the caption over there. So yep, after this one you also have few more videos down below, and you can go ahead and basically follow the same process over and over again. So yep, that is how it works everybody. I hope this video helps you out.